How you doing today, people? Well, as you can see, I got a new lock. It's a Schlage. I never knew Schlage made padlocks. I used to made doorknobs and deadbolts. But, I don't have a key for it. And for some reason, it doesn't seem to look like it has any pins in it. I checked it out. I'll shine a light here. Maybe you guys can see. Don't know if you guys can see that, but I don't even think it has any pins. Maybe a few that I can feel of, but anyways, any tips on this lock, or maybe I'd like to get a key made for this. I could still make a very handy lock for security. It's heavy, most definitely. I'll catch you guys later, okay?